Let's move on. Roll onto your right side. Bring your right elbow directly underneath your shoulder for support. Now bend both knees so feet are in line with your spine. We'll begin with the clamshell with extension. Inhale, open your top knee towards the ceiling, keeping your feet together. Exhale, extend your top leg straight. Inhale, bend the knee and bring your feet together again. And exhale, lower the knee back down. Let's repeat that 8 more times, slow and steady. Make sure your hips are stable. Don't let them roll inward. Keep them sticky and steady. Keep moving with your breath. Inhale, open. Exhale, extend. Inhale, bend. And exhale, lower. Beautiful. Now place your left